Hello, this is Jane at Fired For You, introducing you to our famous tea light Christmas angel. Although she could be made to accommodate your home for any time of year if you change the decoration on her, so she could stay out all year round. I know some people have made them with me the last 2 or 3 years, whether they've been Christmassy or not, they've left them out all year round because they love them so much. So here she is. This one is unusual in the fact that I've painted a face on her, because I don't usually, I just leave it blank and your brain fills it in. She's got snowflakes on her sleeves and her wings. I've left the arms and sleeves red. It looks a bit pinky at the moment because it's not been glazed and fired as yet. So she has snowflakes of different blues and purples in her hair, and I've added a bit of a rainbow theme, saying that whilst I made her last year, I've only just painted her and she's got red, yellow and orange stars in her hair on this side, and a little gathering of holly and flowers and hearts on the base here, and trees cut out, stars. So you put a tea light under her and she all lights up and looks really pretty. Her wings are fastened together with little red hearts. That's going to be bright red when it's fired. And there's a cluster of decorations on the back of there, just in case she's sat in the middle of a table rather than on the mantelpiece. And the hearts are rainbow colours as well. So we've got orange one and a green one here. I've wiped the paint off her wings so you can see the pattern more clearly. And then she's got some rainbow hearts, red, orange and green on this side to match the stars on the other side. And another cluster of decoration at the bottom. So there she is. She's all waiting to be glazed and fired, and she'll be bright and shiny. But we're running workshops in the autumn. You'll be able to find the details on our website firedforyou.co.uk and on our Facebook page to be able to book in and come and make one of these by hand from clay. I give you step-by-step instructions. Your clay's ready rolled out for you, and you have a pattern to use to cut the pieces out to put it together. And we just ask if you can bring a garlic press with you, it'd be very useful because we use that to make her hair. So she's got blonde hair or yellowy hair with some brown highlights in it, which will be more visible when she's painted. So there she goes. Look forward to seeing you soon. If you've got any questions, get in touch. Bye for now.